Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is 25 in 1 toolkit. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. This one is came from Hong Kong. So apparently I thought it come with a case, but I guess not. So let's go ahead and count this thing. Got this nice screwdriver handle. Got this anodine's yellow. And then there's like a copper finish. Oh. And this is where you put your screw head in there. So you got the torque screw head. And then it's with a different size. Oh, cool. This is the one with the triangle tip that I just did the unbox for the motion sensor light. Maybe I could try to see if it works on that. Then this is the flathead. Another torque. Oh, so it has a marking right here. It's a T9. .0. Then you got this Philip. It's a T8. It's a 3.0. Got the T10. And then you got the T3. .6. So they have different sizes and then a different head, which is pretty good. 1.2. Another flathead. So majority these are like a torque screw head. Torque screw head, and then Phillip, and then a flat head. And this is T7. So let's go ahead and then test this in here. Oh my God. Oh, there's a screw head here. So how am I gonna fit that in there? It's impossible. So you fit this in here, and then tie this cap in there. Gonna make sure you go into that groove. So it only fits one way, okay? And then that's it. You don't want to strip the thread in here. So let's come on and then check on that triangle head, see if it fit in my motion sensor light. Away it goes. So I better count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24? Am I missing one? Oh, and then 25 is the handle. So let me try to find that triangle head. I was hoping to get like a super fine flathead to open the watch, but unfortunately it did not come with this super fine flathead. What did, oh, right here. All right, so I'm gonna put this in there. So lucky I have my lights over here. So let's go ahead and then see if they fit. Ah, fit in perfect. So it fit in perfectly, but this probably tie in, screw it in with the power machine or something, or power drill or power tool. So I gotta get a better grip to open it, just in case. As you can see, those head is a triangular shape, and this one fit in perfectly. Alright guys, so thank you for watching, and please be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for notification, and drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video guys. Like always, peace.